Do you want to know how to create a profitable affiliate marketing website step by step? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and in addition to having my YouTube channel here, I also have a few websites, and therefore many people have asked me how to create an affiliate marketing website that can make good money, because many people think that they need really great technical skills to build a website that can make money, but that is just not true. It is actually something anyone can do because it does not require any technical skills. And because so many have asked, I decided to record this video where I will show you just how easy it is step by step, and I will also give you some tips about some things you need to consider to get the best possible start and getting close to making an income as soon as possible. So let's start by going over what the advantages of making money with a website is, because it has big advantages. First of all, it has huge potential. Yes, it does take effort. You are not going to start making money overnight, but if you keep putting in effort, then it can really start snowballing, and then it will start eventually making money 24/7, even when you sleep. That is an amazing thing because there is always traffic online, and when they start finding your website, your content, then you will also keep earning 24/7. And if you do it with affiliate marketing, which is the approach that I recommend if you're a beginner, then it also means you don't have to create any products, you don't have to invest in any storage space, you don't have to invest in any products even. You just basically can make really good money by recommending things that you truly recommend. But let's go over a little bit more about what affiliate marketing is in case you do not know, and then we'll jump into showing you step by step how to set up a website, so you can see that the technical aspect definitely should not stop you from getting started with this. So just in case you don't know what affiliate marketing is, then you can see, for example, on Wikipedia, there are many different definitions, but in short, it is where you join or partner with some kind of company or affiliate network. You get a link, an affiliate link that you can share with other people for a product or a service that you recommend. And when someone clicks that link, you will get paid, sometimes just when they click it, sometimes when they take a certain action, sometimes when they purchase something. So you are basically getting paid a commission just for recommending things that are really great to recommend. That's at least the approach that I would recommend, that you always focus on quality, always just only recommend things that are actually really truly worth recommending. And where do you then find affiliate offers? Well, you can just go to Google, for example, and search. Let's say you're passionate about games, and then you can just go and search for games affiliate programs, and you can find a lot of different things. You can do this for basically any topic. That also means you can basically create a profitable affiliate marketing website no matter the topic you're interested in. Or you can just go to certain companies' websites. If you know this company is one that I really like, I would really love to recommend, just go there and just go to the website and see if they have an affiliate program, or search on Google, the company name plus affiliate program. There's thousands of companies that now have affiliate programs. So even companies you think that maybe doesn't have it because you haven't heard of it, in many cases they actually do have an affiliate program. So that means you can get paid to recommend them. And the way it then works is that you would find a topic you are interested in, that you have some knowledge about. You will start creating content about it, and then you don't have to be some kind of amazing writer. You are basically just sharing your thoughts, your experiences in writing. But what stops many people is that they think that it's technically super difficult to create a website, and it really is not. That is what I will show you in this video step by step. And the first step is that you need a place to host your website, a place to place your website basically, and I will show you my recommended option for that, how you can easily get started with that, and then I'll show you just step by step how you can then get your website up and running in no time. So a really great place where you can, for example, host your website is on Hostinger, and it has several different options, and that's the one that I will use in this video. And what is really great is that if you, for example, get this plan, then you get a free website. You actually get the website, you get the domain name, the URL of your website. You get that for free. Usually you have to pay for that, but you get that for free included if you sign up for this for a yearly plan there. And in addition to that, Hostinger has some other advantages, which is the reason that this is something that I recommend if you're just getting started. First of all, you get really great value for your money. And they also offer 24/7 support in several different languages, which is really something I haven't seen on many platforms, that they also offer it in different languages. And it's also optimized for WordPress, because we will be using WordPress as a place to build our website, because that is just super easy and the best way to do it as a beginner. And Hostinger is optimized for that. In addition to that, you also get free daily or weekly backups, meaning that you will always have a backup of your website, which is something you definitely should always make sure to have. And they also offer what they call free migration services. So that means like if you actually have another host already, have a website somewhere else, they will for free help you to migrate it over, so they will host it instead. And then also they do offer a 30-day money back guarantee, so if you end up not liking it anyways, then you can get your money back. And also, even though they already have really great value for money, and this is the prices at the time of recording this video, and right now you can see they have an extra discount, but no matter what, they always give really great value for the price. But I have also been given a special discount code, and I'll leave it there on the screen now, and this is paid from service, all capital letters in one word there. If you use this, if you get this plan here, then you will get an additional 10% discount. So this is something that I've been given to be able to share with my audience. So if you decide to use this, then make sure to use that code also. But let me jump inside, so then I can show you how easy it is to get started with an affiliate marketing website via WordPress and Hostinger. So I have now logged in, and I really like how easy the panel is to use. I've used quite a few different hosting websites, and this one is very easy to work your way around. So I really like that. And you can see here, I can actually claim my free domain. So that means, like as mentioned, you will get a free domain, the free website, which is really great. So that's something you should make sure to take advantage of if you get the plan that I mentioned earlier. But then let me also show you just step by step how to then get started with your website. So I would need to go here to the setup, premium shared hosting. I just need to click to set up. And you see, then they just ask me a few questions. They basically take me through everything. So I will just say here, I'm creating it for myself, because you're starting from scratch in this case there. I'm building it myself there. And then I'm going to build a blog, because that's what I would choose if you want to get started with affiliate marketing. Just start with a blog. And then do you need help there? You can just say, yes, I'm a beginner, for example. You see, then it will just load a little bit, and you can migrate if you have one already, but I want to create a new website to show you how easy that is. And then you have these different options, and this is where you should choose WordPress. That is the most popular website builder, and this is also free to use when you have a plan like this, and it's just definitely the best option as a beginner. So you choose WordPress. And then again, it just asks you, do you want to create a WordPress account there? It shows your email. I've of course blurred mine out there. You need to put your password again. No need to add WooCommerce. That's only if you know much about e-commerce. In this case, that's not what we will focus on. We'll focus on affiliate marketing. So then you just click to continue. And then you can choose a look. And these are the themes that are freely available inside WordPress. And there are a lot to choose from. And the thing is, you don't also have to choose the perfect one right now. You can just choose one to get started, and that can be changed later inside WordPress. There are thousands of different online tutorials also on YouTube showing you how to find a new theme or find the right theme and how to install it on WordPress. It's super easy. But for now, we can just take one randomly. You just choose this one. You can preview it, or you can just select it. And then you see you can claim a free domain. You can buy one or use an existing one. So you actually get the free chance. So I will choose that one. And then I can check the domain name here, and you can see there are all these different endings there, .com, .in, .me, .help, .link. So they give a lot of options like this. It's definitely great. So you would just need to write it, and then you need to search for it. And a .com is always great, but the best of them, you see, they are often taken. This is not the best. This is just to try to find one. So I will just try to come up with one that has not been taken. That's why sometimes it can make sense to find something else, but .com is something that people trust. So if you can find one .com, be a little bit creative, then that is definitely great. And you see, I managed to find one, and this is not one that I would recommend. This is just because I want to show you how to find it. You need to find one that's relevant, that says something about either you or the topic you want your website to be about. That's what I would recommend anyways. So I would just choose this now just to show you how it works, and then I continue. And then we click to finish setup. And I then just had to fill out a little bit more information about myself there. And then now you can see it's just installing everything. So we just have to wait for that. You see it goes quite fast, but I'll just be back once it's over here. So it's now done, and it took like 2 minutes. I was just sitting there waiting, and you can see then you can just choose to edit your website and get started with it. And that's it. Now the website is really live. I have a website. I'm ready to start adding content here. You can click up here to see that it is actually live now also. And you see that is the template, and now we can adjust it as we want to, or we can go inside and create a new theme or whatever we want. So I cannot give you a full walkthrough of WordPress because that would be like several hours. That's a whole course in itself. But this is live now. I have a live website now. So if you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you then need to do is to first of all focus on the post. So you can go and post and you can start writing content. But this whole about adjusting the design and all that, keep it basic for a start. When I first started, it was very basic, and then the traffic started building up. Then you can spend time on that later, because sometimes people focus on the design and spend 2 weeks trying to figure out the design, and it doesn't really matter too much until you just get everything up and running. So find a design that works well, that looks good, then start adding content. And here you just need to find topics that is relevant for the topic you have chosen. Be specific about the topic, choose a topic you know something about, you're interested in, and then just start sharing your ideas about it. There's a ton of different tutorials online about how to then, add posts and on optimize them and all this, but you basically just click here. And then you can go add new one, and then you can start writing and you can start adding content to WordPress, and then slowly the traffic will start building up if you just focus on quality. Always focus on quality. And this is of course a little bit superficial to just start adding content like that, but this is to show you the technical aspect of setting up a website, because that's what many people have asked me about. And I of course can't do a full WordPress tutorial or full WordPress course in one go, a full blogging course or something like that, but this is just to show you that the technical aspect should really not stop you. This took me a few minutes, just step by step. Now I have a live website. I can start then learning different aspects of optimizing it, what I should have installed, what I shouldn't, and how to add content. And once you start doing that, then it will start building up the traffic if you do it properly. And then once you have traffic, there is a ton of ways to make money. For example, via affiliate links, definitely my top recommended way to do that. You can also use ads, and eventually you can even sell your website. Once you start making a little bit of income, I know a lot of people that have then sold websites and earned thousands of dollars doing that. So it really has a huge earning potential to create an affiliate marketing website. So to sum it all up, having an affiliate marketing website can definitely be profitable. And many people think that they don't have the technical skills to build a website. Don't worry about that. It really is easy, especially if you use a host like what I showed you, Hostinger, where you just click and then the website will basically automatically be generated in a few minutes. Then you just need to take the time to start learning the small aspects of WordPress, but it is super easy to use. It is very beginner friendly. And then you just need to start sharing content, honest quality content, sharing your experiences, and then slowly it can start building up from there. But as mentioned, this video, I wanted to focus on the technical aspect because that's what stopped most people, and it really shouldn't, because it is quite easy. And if you decide to use Hostinger, then make sure to remember that I have this code for hosting. I will leave my link below and also the code below, so you can use this and get an extra discount for this plan. And it's definitely a great option, in my opinion, as a beginner, because you get such a great value. You get great customer service in different languages. You get this free website, which is also something really unique I haven't seen many hosts offer. So make sure to check that out if you decide this is for you. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.